I'm going to be talking about the Too Faced Melted Chocolate. This was actually the first lipstick that I have bought. I said I really don't wear a lot of makeup. Normally I just go with the lip gloss, lip balm, and boom, I'm good to go. But when I saw this, I was really drawn to it because of the box, first of all, and then it was chocolate. And then on my skin tone, it goes really, really well with this. And so I applied it on, and the lady right there was like, you should get that. And I was like, at first I'm like, okay, this is for a sale. But, you know, she was right. It did go good with my skin complexion, and I love it. And I really do love it. But it's Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquid Longwear Lipstick. Yes, I do need to put it on the English side. Everybody don't understand that. Like, why would you do that? Okay, the ingredients. Okay, and this is the English side of the scent. And it does have a chocolate scent. And this is what it looks like. I fell in love with this. I really did. Like I said before, I love neutral colors. I love dark colors on my lips. I would definitely try light colors. I just haven't found the one, or I didn't probably do no research on what looks good on me. But this is what I use. And then what it looks like on my skin. That's what it looks like on my skin. Yeah, I guess still got the eyeliner mark on me. So yeah, it gives like that dark tint, but on me, it brings out my skin tone and it pops out my eyes, especially when I wear eyeliner and mascara. I don't know, it just sets my eyes out. Like, I really don't even need to wear like eyeshadow like this. Eyeliner, mascara, and I'm good to go. Really, that's pretty much my makeup. I don't know how to do the whole foundation and concealer thing. Like the concealer foundation, when people, like what I've seen on how they apply it on, like it does look like it takes some time, but the results are beautiful. I just personally don't know how to do it, but I think it's because I never really set the time to learn how to do it. So, but I give power to the ones that do know how to do the foundation concealer, because it looks nice, it looks smooth, it looks really pretty, you know what I'm saying? And it brings out their beauty even more. And it's just enhancing. I mean, everyone has a natural beauty about themselves. It's just that some people, you know, they like to look nice. That has nothing to do with being fake or anything. It's just that you're enhancing appearance. You just like to look nice for yourself. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. And everybody's different. I mean, some people know how to do the foundation and concealer. Some people might put on some eyeliner and some lipstick or mascara or, you know, stuff like that. So I personally just use this or the other lip when I was talking about the Tarte. But I really, really love this. Normally, sometimes I wear this at night since it is dark. And throughout the day, I mean, it might be too harsh. But then again, I really don't care, because they ain't their lips, it's mine. And and I really love this. I know they have Too Faced, I think it was like a metallic chocolate, and that one had sparkles in it. That one really, I don't know, I felt like it didn't call my name like this one did. This one called my name, and I was like, okay, yes, I do love this one. I really do love this one. I really do love this one. And I know they have other ones too as well. I believe like in the chocolate edition, I don't know, I guess this would be called like the chocolate edition one, because they had a lot of things dealing with like chocolate, and the names was like dealing with chocolate as well. Yeah, I really do like it. And I kind of smeared it a little bit so you kind of see better what it kind of looks like on my skin. So yeah. And it smells like chocolate too. I'm smelling it right now on my lip. Smell like chocolate too. So go ahead and try this out. This definitely bring your features out, your beauty out. Go ahead and style a little bit, beautify yourself some. point I forgot to tell you that Too Faced actually has different type of lipsticks as well, like kind of like in the same shape frame, and does the same like it's a liquefied longwear lipstick. So if not too crazy about the chocolate one, I know there's some other ones too, but I just love the chocolate one because it goes good with my skin tone, like I said before. And another thing is that I forgot to mention is that it wasn't really a matted type on my lips, but it dried my lips to where it didn't really stain too much stuff. Like, it didn't stain the straws a lot. It didn't really stain the napkins a lot. I mean, it appeared on it, but it wasn't like a whole bunch was on it. It kind of stayed on it for my lips for a while, like maybe like a little dab on it or something, but it didn't really have too much product on the straw and the napkin. I can't believe I didn't mention that. But yeah, it didn't really do all that with me. But yeah, Too Faced chocolate, melted chocolate, liquefied longwear lipstick.